हमसे पूछे ऐसे सवाल कि हमने मचा दी धमाल। लेट्स वॉच दिस वीडियो।
My channel, okay, her channel,
whatever it is. Once again, welcome back here, and after so many vlogs, we are back with some interesting thing. Already आपने title से पढ़ ही लिया है. Today we gonna do
who is more likely to.
Who is more likely to? Oh yes. Who is more likely to? Alright, so now let's start this challenge and what's it missed?
इसमें we don't know the questions yet. My friend have made the question list. Thank you, Pavitra.
Thank you so very much, Pavitra. So making it more challenging for us. So अभी तक तो question नहीं पता. अभी देखेंगे question.
Yeah,
we
one
will
by
see
one.
it and we'll answer it.
Oh,
अच्छा एक चीज एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज लेके आ रही हूँ, आपको दिखा दो. We'll be back soon. Okay, so जो मिसिंग था वो
No, it's me.
It's me.
No, me.
अरे नहीं me. Alright, so ये आज का हमारा प्रॉप है, तो जो भी आंसर होगा वो हम आपको इस प्रॉप के थ्रू दिखाएंगे.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first question is, who is most likely to punch the goon? I think both of us can punch a goon.
No, she can't. Sometimes she gets weird with the things. She feels shy. But I'm damn sure I'll definitely give a punch to the goons.
Oh yeah, she can definitely.
Who is most likely to pick a fight in a 5-star restaurant? You are again?
What? Of course it can be me. I always fight.
You don't fight in a public.
It's a fight.
You feel so, like.
इनमें से तो लाइफ है, उसमें भी
Okay. Publicly, intentionally embarrass the other one.
Definitely me.
What?
This is my forte. I do this with everyone.
This girl sometimes really don't know how to behave in public.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, dame tu cosita.
I'm a free bird. I can do whatever I want. I'm a free citizen of the country. I can do whatever and wherever I want to.
Next.
Who is most likely to get arrested?
See, we know this. We know this.
Not fair.
I know the reason too.
Don't.
Okay.
Who is more likely to publicly urinate? Susu. Publicly. I can't.
Yes, you
can.
I am definitely sure. अगर तुम बोलोगे कि गुंजा, I'll give you 5,000 rupees. Pee or she'll pee it.
No, I will not.
You
this
will.
Is so not fair. Okay,
She will.
If you're giving into 50,000, then
what? See, she agreed.
50,000 just for a pee. Why not? Okay, so who is more likely to join army, navy, or force? Okay, who is more likely to dance in the middle of the night on a road? Definitely me, without a doubt.
Without a doubt, she is the person.
Are you winning, son?
So, who is more likely to pick a cockroach with a hand and throw it out? not scared of it, but I don't know. It is just
She
too
can't.
weird.
She can't touch.
It's just
so,
like.
I can throw it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Not taking shower for a week. I swear. Who is most likely to have the most spoiled kid? No.
You are already having one, and you will definitely have one of the spoiled kid. Did you saw Jiju? Have you met your husband?
Who is most likely to cover for their sibling?
I have did for Ruchi a millions of times. She was not there, so why would I cover for her? But yeah, even she does. We both can. I guess we both can. So it will be this.
But then, who is most likely? Is
Me.
This?
Me. I have done this for a million times.
This is crazy, bro. You have done million times for only one sibling. It is like for most of the sibling. It is me. I've done a cover for both of them.
I never got chance for her because I was too young when I was with her.
Whatever. But then
When
I
she
have
got
given
married,
a cover
I
to
got-
you also. I have given cover to Ruchi also.
Yeah, I agree. But
Bro, this has
But
to
we
be the
both-
most likely. No, most likely has to be this person at a time. Yeah, thank you. Who is most likely to be a sucker for a romantic movie?
definitely me. It's me.
Okay.
Suck it.
Okay. Who is most likely to be Ross or Monica? Ross. Okay, I love this this next question, not last. This.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Okay, I love this next question. This was nice one, Pavitra. And see, answer I know is this. Okay.
How?
Okay. Now listen the question. Who is most likely to fake their death?
What?
I want to see how much she cries when I die. I mean,
Who is most likely to cook the most delicious cuisine?
without a doubt.
Okay. Who is most likely to be dramatic? Okay. Who is most likely to be horrible when they are
Drunk.
drunk?
Game over.
Yeah. True.
Disclaimer, Mama is gonna watch this song and I can drink.
Okay.
Okay.
Next question. Who is most likely to fart in public? You can't. Please, yes, good. Oh, okay. Who is most likely to obsess over a celebrity? I'm a simp. Who is most likely to go bankrupt?
This girl. This girl.
Okay, who is most likely to become an overthinker? I already am.
But then sometime I am.
Yeah,
But
even-
then she is
I am
more
most.
overthinker than me.
Yeah. Okay.
More.
Who is most likely to run for Prime Minister?
What?
No, I can't. But then yeah, chances are much better
Most
than her.
likely to. I
Yeah,
just
chances
can't.
are
I just can't.
much better than her.
Who is most likely to get on a motorcycle with a stranger? I think I can.
Even I can.
Yeah, but
But then
most
yeah, it
likely-
is like both of us. It's a 50-50. This question has a 50-50 chance.
Yeah. Who is most likely to date two people at once? None of us.
No, yaar.
No
this
one.
is like horrible thing. We won't.
Yeah. I can't handle one. How will I handle two?
I can't handle one. How will I handle two?
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
You
See?
are handling one?
I mean,
Huh?
not like
Huh?
that.
Huh?
Who is most likely to have a weird phobia? I don't have any phobias, but I don't have any phobias.
She has a one of the, you know, you can't say it a phobia, but then she has this very thing that she'll be alone one day. So yeah, she has a phobia.
Who is most likely to forget the name of someone they hooked up with?
What?
I have a habit of forgetting
people,
names,
and I just-
no, I don't forget people. I remember the memories, but then I don't remember the names.
And I am simp. I remember everything.
Whatever.
Okay. Who is most likely to get hit by a car or hit somewhere with a car?
Who can steal a candy from a little kid?
Oh yeah, she hate kids. I can't.
I don't hate kids, but
वो
then
डराती रहती है सबको.
but I love irritating kids. So yes, I'll definitely
And that is why
snatch
she
a
irritates
kid.
me every day. Look at that.
Mwah. Love you. Okay, moving on. Who is most likely to go a strip club? Okay, who is most likely to make a sex tape? You can add and sell it later.
This is getting wild.
This is getting wild. Okay, who is most likely to stay longest in the bathroom?
I am. Okay, for me, I am. I can. And I do. So for me, it's me.
For me, it's me. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is most likely to pull off a prank successfully?
Yeah, I'll laugh. I just can't control my laugh.
Okay. Who is most likely to do weird things in public? Absolutely weird. No, absolutely weird. See, it happens.
You are not my friend anymore, Patra.
Okay. This is very nice. Who is most likely to be a stand-up comedian?
I will laugh all the time if you can count me as one.
But then, if it is a chance of 1%, then definitely it will be.
Yeah, she can. She can pull off that very well.
Who is most likely to be a supermodel?
I think she is. She's a wonderful supermodel. But
No, but then I think most likely is this girl. She is amazing. Yeah, girl. Who is most likely to be on commercials?
I think I can.
Yeah, she will. Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
Oh, definitely. I just can't control laughing. I really can't. Sometimes I feel like control, Gunja, control. Just like control, Majnu.
Okay. Who is most likely to be weird during sex?
I
What?
haven't had, but I think it's me.
Yeah, she will be. She will start laughing.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Oh, sorry. No. To my future husband, no. I'll control. I learn to control. But no.
Okay.
No. With a poker face. Okay. Who is most likely to pull off their kid as a model or actor or actress?
Oh,
Who is most likely to get beaten up with mom? She has. તું મારા કરતા વધારે માર ખાધેલી છે. તે મારા કરતા વધારે માર ખાધેલી છે. Oh, she is such a liar.
beaten up like ज़्यादा मार कौन खा सकता है? That will be this person for sure.
मैं बहुत अच्छे मारती नहीं है अब. She has changed.
Who will be that person who will be always in the parents' favorite list? But I feel she is also one of them.
But she is on top as always. I don't remember.
Okay, guys.
So this was it for today's video.
And I hope you guys like this.
And if you like this video, don't forget to like,
share, comment and subscribe to
both
my
of
channel
our
and
channel.
her channel too.
See
We'll
how
be back
good
soon.
person I am. I said both of ours channel. And
Even
she's
I
like my. Then you said hers. I'm a very good person. Please subscribe to only my channel.
Look at her goodness. Okay, nevertheless guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. We will be back with part 2 if you like. If you need a part 2, please comment below. We'll be back soon. Till then, enjoy yourself and
Stay home.
stay home, stay safe.
And lots of love to you guys. Bye.
Bye.